Welcome to eLogic, home of the Manufacturer's Experience Center, or as we call it, the MEC, where we bring to life a full range of intelligent, modern, and connected solutions that are driving the future of manufacturing. The MEC is a place to get hands-on and experience the power of a fully connected enterprise. eLogic delivers a new generation of technology-enabled business practices. Picture a world where you are seamlessly connected to your customers and suppliers while empowering every employee. Experience all elements of a connected enterprise in action. Leveraging a combination of mixed reality, IoT, and artificial intelligence, we demonstrate the art of the possible for leading manufacturers. Explore solutions like smart factory, connected products, predictive service, and intelligent selling. The MEC truly is a place to experience the manufacturing of tomorrow, today. Immerse yourself in Industry 4.0. Collaborate with our team on your transformation. Leave with your best ideas in motion.